How to change LinkedIn account privacy settings. First of all, log into your account and click on your profile picture or the Me tab, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, explore the three main sections for privacy management: visibility, data privacy, and account preferences. In visibility, you can control who sees your profile, connections, activity, and shared content. You can also adjust profile viewing options and activity broadcast to maintain control over your presence. In data privacy, manage how LinkedIn handles your personal information, including data sharing, ad preferences, and third party permissions. You can also download and delete your data and control how your information is used for personalized experiences. Under Account Preferences, you can adjust login settings, email notification, language preferences, and blocking options to further protect your account and customize your experience. Regularly reviewing and updating these settings ensures your LinkedIn account remains secure, professional, and tailored to your privacy needs. Now you know how to change LinkedIn account privacy settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.